Summer SOS Vaginal Health Edition. Okay, here's a question. How can I make sure that my vaginal pH is okay? I get it. I got you. Summer is the time of wet bathing suits, sweaty workout clothes. What I'm going to recommend you incorporate into your daily routine is a vaginal boric acid suppository, vulva cleanser, and a vaginal probiotic that supports vaginal health pH levels via the gut-vagina microbiome connection. And at Love Wellness, we have been doing better for women since 2016. We were one of the first companies to really understand the gut-vagina microbiome connection. Our products work at the microbiome level because of ingredient superiority. So that means in the products that you see here, you're not gonna find fragrance or essential oil in the things that you put in your vagina or on your vulva. And our supplements, like Good Girl Probiotics, never include sugar. They're never gonna include corn syrup, tapioca syrup, things that traditionally are found in different formats of supplements, aka gummy vitamins. So the Killer supports healthy levels of vaginal yeast. Our pH balanced cleanser allows you to practice safe personal hygiene without fragrance. And then Good Girl Probiotics supports vaginal pH levels via the gut-vagina microbiome connection. I'm loving all of these Summer SOS questions, so please send me more. You can DM them to me, you can email them to me, whatever you want.